know, they're going to do away with paper cups in our office at the coffee stations.
Oh, cool.
They say it's for Earth Day, but I think it's because they're trying to save money.
Well, they should start. One of the companies I consulted at they didn't have paper cups. They had cups, like visitor cups if you need a visitor cup.
Yeah.
And then they gave you plastic bottles that were refillable.
So I wouldn't want a plastic bottle because those couldn't deteriorate, but I would love to get one of those vacuum sealed metal kind.
Yeah, but no, regular plastic bottles, as long as they're the kind that are meant for... You love your froggy? You making music, boo-boo?
You have a power I don't understand. Could never have.
Hi, I'm Alphabet Cow. Hi,
Was that tasty?